Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to find deleted messages on Messenger. So first of all, just go ahead and enter the Messenger app and basically make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Alright? And basically, what's gonna happen, let me just create right here PIN. Alright? And basically, you're gonna see your chats and everything right here, right? And once you swipe left right here and delete the message, you will no longer receive that message again. But there's an alternative choice. You could click the three bars at the top left, okay, and click on the settings gear, scroll a little bit down, and then click on the account center or meta. And then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to your information and permissions, and I'm gonna just go ahead and click the second option, download your information. Follow along the steps. Download or transfer information button, click on it and choose the account if you have more than one account. In my case, I have one account. Click on it, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be specific about my type of information. So I'm gonna click the second option, select specific type of information, right, and follow along the steps. You're gonna see multiple options. I'm gonna just go ahead and click messages, right, and click on next, and then basically I'm gonna download it to my device and select that date range, which is which is important basically, right? You can select the parameter, or you can select the length between the messages that you got around this period of time. You could just choose the period of last 3 months, 6 months, whatever it might be, and just hit save, and then just submit a request to Facebook to create files finally, and then you will have to wait a couple hours at least until they send you the approval through your email. Let's wait on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.